speaking specifically to the capital market, what would you want to see, Oluwaseyi? What would you want to see? Are you looking for infrastructure project-specific bonds in the market? Are you looking for more privatization? Maybe the government should bring Ajaokuta Steel Company to the stock market.
Well, basically, we want the government to use the instrumentality of the capital market to fund the infrastructures. Okay? We are talking that we lack infrastructures in the country. The space of capital market that we have today, we can fund such projects. You know, government can come to the capital market and raise long-term bonds, you know, to finance the infrastructures. And all these are the issues that will, you know, contribute significantly to the development of our economy. And government should be warm to us. When we organize workshops, conferences, you know, and all those things, government should send representatives to attend. They should not be too far from us. Okay, there's a saying that your prophet can only pray for you, he cannot believe for you. All right, so we need them in our functions. We need, even at the ministerial level, you know, to look at what we are saying about the economy and take such blueprint that will produce, you know, and not just take it, they should execute and monitor.
The Minister of Finance, the current Minister of Finance, the Finance Chief, Kemi Adeosun, was at the Nigerian Stock Exchange CEO Roundtable a couple of days ago. That's an indication, isn't it,
sure.
That perhaps Abuja is beginning to take a second look at Customs Strait. Absolutely. And say, hold on a second, well, maybe it is time to get back in bed together.
Well, let me say of the current minister, I mean, Mrs. Adeosun, she has been warming herself to us since her administration. Don't forget, she used to be part of us, you know, having worked, you know, in Chapel Hill, Durham, you know, a member of Nigerian Stock Exchange and all that. We have sent several, you know, informations to her, which I think they are applying in the current dispensation. All right. So, but we expect other arms of government, trade and investment, not finance alone. All right. Even at the CBN levels. All right. Look at the achievements of the financial market through the activities of the DMO alone. Okay. They have stabilized the debt market, you know, of the country, and now they have evolved a structure that is seamless. Okay. So all these are the issues that we all as a stakeholder must work together, you know, so that we can have an ever-evolving economy.
You re-jigging the stockbroking business. It's been really tough past 10 years. Yes or no?
Absolutely, yes.
Absolutely, yes. So, but somehow we keep seeing an increasing number of graduates who are going through the examinations and becoming chartered stockbrokers. And sometimes I wonder, I thought your camp, your numbers should have significantly reduced, but it looks like more people are interested in the capital markets, more folks want to get in there. What is in the market?
Well, you know, let me say this. It is only the job of the capital market that you do till you retire. All right? Nobody can retire you in the capital market.
Is there an age limit?
There is no age limit. It's the only job that you can do till you retire. But apart from that, it's very interesting to be a financial engineer. Okay, because you see the whole economy from the standpoint that you're like a doctor. Okay, you're like a social doctor. You know, that you can prescribe what is happening in the economy. So it's very interesting. Unfortunately, the economy has been in a zigzag for a long time. Right from the meltdown we had in 2007 and all the issues of the economy, corruption, all this. Because the capital market is a barometer to measure an economy. If the economy is not doing well, the capital market will not do well. So if you are looking at the performance of the capital market as an undergraduate, it might not really attract, it might not be attractive. But hey, if you look at the long-term benefits of being a professional and acting it up, you love to be a stockbroker.
The market has made some significant gains in 2017. One of the best performing in Africa since 2017 started. Do you think this is a good time for both the government and the man on the street to take a second look when they pass by the Customs Strait and say,
I want to invest. Thank you very much. This is a very good question you have asked me. Yes and no. People should have started investing from the time they saw the budget, because the budget is clear that the economy is coming out of recession. Okay, and coupled with what has happened, the restructuring in the FX windows, for investors, and all that. And don't forget, these people, they have come into our economy to stay. Okay, in and out, they are playing active roles in our investment, right? And with everything that is happening in the country, stability, the success of the government, against the Boko Haram, that has increased securities and more confidence in the economy. If the economy is doing well, our companies will do well. And the kind of earnings that the companies are posting recently are showing that money is coming. Okay.
I got a last question for you, and I don't want this to go. Very quickly, one of our viewers has just sent it via Twitter and says the CIS Institute is almost moribund. So we want to see research inputs in policies from the Institute. And you're supposed to be a think tank. That's what Ipemosa Umuavbe, I hope I got it right. But on Twitter, it's IKPEMS. 30 seconds, 1 minute.
That is not true. Like we said, Nigeria is just coming out of recession, and this has affected a lot of our members. Okay? A lot of things that are happening at the CIS level, especially in terms of research, we have been producing some of these research products, and we have been reaching out. But because of the recession that has affected that particular aspect of our business, people have lost some kind of interest in it. Okay. But I think with what is happening in the economy now,
get it back, rev it back. We've made almost 2 trillion naira since the year started on the NSE.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money. That's a very good size of the budget.
Sure.
Let's keep it there. Let's continue this conversation another day. Thanks for coming.
Thank you
the president of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, Oluwaseyi Iyabe.